Hi, this is Malathi, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications PG in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see the topic of creating database links. It is a part of data administration course. Why do we need to create the database links? If the database can be accessed or in the compulsion to be accessed in various branches and the various places, uh, that time we need to create the database links to access the same database from the various places. What is the purpose of creating these database links? It facilitates the remote queries and procedures that can access and that can access by the different users and for the quick sharing too. The one place we can have the public link and one place we have the private link. If we give the access publicly, they can use it. Whoever can use it, and whichever place they can uh, access it to. And if it gives for private access, only the access people through the password they can use it and changes the data or alter the data or can view the data. The accessibility varies like public links are available to all, private links are user restricted one. The creating a database links. It is used to define the link name, connect string and optional authentication. That optional authentication is for private access only. The example command or the example query what we need to use to create the database link is create database link command. We need to use it, and my link that there we need to copy the link, then connect to the username. It's identified the password using the password we can given here. They need to use this we need to use this query by giving the access to the users whom we need to give the access to the particular person. Then connectivity requirements. What are the requirements we need for the connectivity? It ensures the network connectivity and correct configuration on both databases. How do we test the database link? After creating the database link, it is very crucial to test the functionality, and it need to ensure the operations work it, whether it can work it correctly. This can be done using a simple select statement such as select from remote underscore table at my link. This command we can use to test the database link, and to verify it, it can give the access controller can access it without any deviation or without any additional process. We can come to the conclusion the database links are actively working. Then while we create the database link, it needs to execute the select statement, and it verifies the result and troubleshooting the issues, manage admin process and security process too. The best practices of database links are: we need to use the strong passwords. Always use strong and secure password while creating the database links to migrate security risk associated with unauthorized access to the databases. And limit public links. If we use the public database links to minimize exposure and potential data breaches. And regularly audit the links. That is very important to ensure they are still necessary and secure. And remove any unused or obsolete links to maintain a clear environment. And what are the common issues we are facing while we are creating this kind of database links and giving access to the users publicly as well as privately? The database connection issues, the connection failures, authentication errors or data access problems may arise. Then network issues, network problems. It ensures there are no firewalls blocking the connection and the correct routes are in place. Then the monitoring tools. Utilize logging and monitoring tools to track the usage patterns and performance. That's lead to the security issues too. So we will be very conscious to all these things, common issues, and we need to monitoring the databases and the links often to avoid all these issues. And the conclusion is powerful tool should be used for enabling the efficient data sharing across diverse environments, and the regular audits and best practices can enhance the security and the performance, and the careful implementation leads to effective data management solutions. Thank you for watching the video.